Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car 4K dash cam in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car 4K dash cam to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Vantru N4. Specifications: brand name Vantru, aperture f1.8, display LCD, view angle 160 degrees, camera resolution 2560 by 1440, video format MP4, max external memory 256GB, number of lenses 3, imaging sensor 5.0 MP comms, pixels 500 mega, display size 2.45 inches, frames per second 30, warranty 18 months. Number 4 is Vantru N4 Pro. Specifications: brand name Vantru, display IPS, video format MP4, max external memory 512GB, number of lenses 3, imaging sensor Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678, pixels 800 mega, display size 3-5, chipset manufacturer Novatech, frames per second 30, weight 900 grams. As the item number 3, we've selected VFO A129 Pro. Specifications: brand name VFO, chipset NT96685, display LCD, camera resolution 3840 by 2160, video format MP4, max external memory 256GB, number of lenses 2, imaging sensor Sony IMX317, pixels 800 mega, display size 3 inches, chipset manufacturer Novatech, frames per second 60, warranty 1 year. Number 2 is Pi 4K dash cam. Specifications: brand name Pi, aperture f1.8, view angle 105 degrees minus 140 degrees, camera resolution 3840 by 2160, max external memory 512GB, number of lenses 2, imaging sensor GC4653, pixels 800 mega, chipset manufacturer Sigma-Star, frames per second 30, warranty 1 year, weight 0.6 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Pi Dash Cam Mini 5. Specifications: brand name Pi, view angle 105 degrees minus 140 degrees, camera resolution 3840 by 2160, number of lenses 1, imaging sensor Sony IMX415, chipset manufacturer Sigma-Star, frames per second 30, warranty 1 year, certification CE FCC RoHS.